Yeah.
Okay, so we have an early boxing session today. I don't really have much to do today, but we just have boxing, and then I just have to prepare for one of my videos that I'm planning to shoot in a couple of days. So I need to plan for that. But other than that, we don't really have much for the day. So let's get into it.
I get mad zooted, I got this bad thing I recruited. My passion is a movie, I say fuck it, cause I do it. I stay on my list, I live everywhere I go. I know my Texas niggas got my best man for the show though.
Okay, so this is my boxing coach, Dylan, and you guys can find him on TikTok, Instagram.
Find me on TikTok, Instagram, Dylan DC_95.
I put my heart and soul in it.
Okay, so I just wanted to take a quick moment and thank all of you guys and tell you guys how much I appreciate you guys, because I think by the time I post this video, I'll have 800 subscribers. Right now, I'm currently 5 away to 800, and literally the previous week we hit 700 subscribers. So the fact that within a couple of days later I'm able to hit 800, I'm close to 1,000 now, but I highly doubt we'll be able to get 1,000 before the year ends, because I think there's just 2 more weeks. I think it's basically 1 week left now till the year ends, and I don't think I'm gonna do. I'm not saying I'm not confident in myself, but just being realistic, I don't think it will. But I just wanted to take this moment and thank you guys, because every single time it's the comments, people telling me that I inspire them, that I help them in so many different ways. The DMs I keep on getting on Instagram. I don't think I've always been that person that, kind of helps people and whatever, but the DMs now that I'm getting on Instagram, there's just so much of people asking me questions, people asking me for advice, and there's just so much, and I'm truly grateful for that. Not a lot of people have that. I'm not saying it's too much, as in I don't want that, but it just means a lot that I'm able to bring a message out there. I've always wanted to bring a message out there, I've started YouTube. There's literally the videos of me when I was, I don't know, probably 10 or even younger. I think I was still in primary, picking up the camera with my friends and playing, I think it was Ding Dong Ditch. And then it moved on to a fitness page that I started way back in primary. Didn't really do much with that, but I planned to start with this friend of mine. And then I moved to gaming. I started getting into gaming, I think, probably as I was in grade 6 or 5. But yeah, I started posting gaming content on YouTube for some time, edited my own videos, and that's where I basically got some of the skill that I have now of editing videos, and that truly went a long way. I feel like if I'd only started editing now, I don't think my edits would be the same as they are now. But yeah, I've always wanted to tell a story and be on camera, even though I think I'm an introvert. Well, I feel like an introvert because I'm not really that much outspoken when I'm around people and whatever. So, but I've always wanted to tell a message and bring change. It all starts with like a couple of people, and we can do that in our community. But yeah, I've always wanted to bring out a message out there, and I'm grateful now that I have a platform where I can do that. Even if it's 800 subscribers, eventually it will grow. Initially in August, I think I'll put up a screenshot somewhere here, but in August, I was literally on 60 something subscribers. So the fact that I've grown so much within probably, what is it, 90 days, or how many days is it? Or a month or 2 months, but I'm truly grateful for that. And I'm grateful for each and every single one of you guys that watch the videos. The numbers on the videos have been insane. The numbers are doing well, so I truly appreciate you guys. Hopefully next year we can hit 10K. I know we are gonna hit 10K next year, but yeah, I truly appreciate you guys so much. And me studying YouTube has brought so much change into my life. It's brought massive change into my life compared to the person I was last year, and including beginning of this year. But a lot of things started changing when I picked up this camera. Truly, my life changed when I started picking up this camera and recording my videos, like in terms of like fitness, mentality, every single aspect of my life changed when I started recording these videos. You guys can literally scroll back down to my first video, how smaller my body was, how camera shy I was. It set up, it was just, yeah, it was just so much. And till this day, I look at, it's only been 6 months, but I look at those videos till this day as motivation whenever I just feel down, whatever. But I'm always proud to see that first video that I posted, because I've literally had so much growth from that time. So 6 months for me, I would say, is all it took. But we're not done. This is just the beginning. This is the beginning of it all. So next year, I'm in grade 11 next year, so I need to kind of focus up. But I know for sure that next year is the time that a lot of things happen for me. But obviously, nothing will happen if I don't put in the work. So I need to put in the work and continue being consistent, but eventually everything will pay off. So yeah.
Daughter of the sun, the way that light shoots on my
And then hopefully next year we'll be able to hit over 10,000. Yeah, obviously, because of so many things will happen in 1 year. So
At first, when the weather was like this, I used to be depressed about it. I wouldn't say depressed, but I would just feel like it's not really a good day. But I feel like as time went on, you start appreciating this kind of weather. Not all the time it's like this. Most of the time it's hot, especially here in Africa. So you appreciate such weathers and you feel like just being indoors, just chilling, drinking your coffee or your tea. I don't drink coffee, but yeah. All the time when I told my mom about it, she told me that you just have to accept it. Nothing will change. That's how life is. And I know maybe some of you guys may think it's, I don't know, dumb or whatever, but I used to get like kind of depressed when the weather was like this, because I always wanted it to be sunny. When it was sunny, to me that was a good day. But even when the weather's like this, I appreciate it so much. So yeah, today's my mom's birthday. She's turning 49. She's turning 50 next year, and she looks so young. We're about to go for dinner now for her birthday. So yeah.
it is currently 8 a.m. and going to the gym now. I did kind of sleep late. I think I slept, not kind of even, I actually slept late. I slept around, I think to 3, that's when I slept, just around 3 a.m. I was just on a time crunch trying to edit this video, because even right now it's basically a Tuesday, so, which is the day I post on. I don't know why I'm still recording this. Oh, forgot to mention, going to the gym right now. That's why we're up so early. Initially, I was supposed to wake up at 7. I just couldn't do it, so I'm gonna go to the gym now. So yeah. So I was sitting here and just talking, and I was just thinking that so much has happened for me this year. Literally, so much has happened. I've tried so many business ventures, drop shipping. I have a clothing brand which I still hope that I'm gonna bring it back alive in the future one day, when the time is right. But I've tried so many things, and now that finally something is actually working, which is building a personal brand, it's actually working, And to think that I've been trying so many things for the past 3 years is actually insane, because literally I've been trying and trying and trying for 3 years, but nothing has been working. But this one thing of building a personal brand looks like it's going to work for me, and it is working for me, Judging the way I'm growing, the impact I'm making in your guys' lives is just so massive, And I feel like you guys just need to understand that if you attempt a business venture and it doesn't necessarily work at that time, that is not the end. That's never the end, There's still so many things that you can do out there. You're not limited to one thing. There are so many things you can do. Excuse me. My voice is just a little bit so I don't know why, but yeah, there's just so many things that you guys can do, It's not only one thing. It doesn't mean that if you fail at one thing, that's the end. I feel like failure builds character, There was a point in my life where I won't exactly say how much I was making, but I literally had so much money. But it was during the time when I was doing forex trading, whereby I would recklessly spend money, thinking that it's easy to make it back because I know what I'm doing, man, and that taught me a lot, spending that money, buying whatever I feel like, wasting that money has taught me so much. It's taught me the value and the importance of spending wisely and saving, because there was a point where I was regretting so bad that why did I waste and spend that money so recklessly. And it was a thing of like, I made all that money and it came to a point whereby it just wasn't working anymore. It was as if someone just said, or Major Trader just said, no more money for you. Ends there. That's literally how it was. And I never made anything from then. And that taught me so much, because you now know that you need to spend money wisely, because anything can happen. Your decisions can literally F up your life badly, so you guys need to be wise with the decisions that you guys make, so just be wise in the decisions you guys make, and always remember that you failing now is not the end goal. There's literally so much to life. There's so much to life that you can look forward to, Doesn't mean that if this one thing fails, it's the end. Try something new. Even when you plan something that doesn't go as planned, get up and start again. If you're gonna allow yourself to fall down, then forget it. That's the end. I'm not saying that every single time it's easy. You fall, get up, but you just need to try and pick up yourself, walk the journey step by step. You don't have to run it, you know. And I feel like failure is the best thing that could happen to you. So many people think that's not really that big of a deal, but it teaches you so much and it builds character. Failure builds character truly. So other than that, it is currently, well, Merry Christmas, because I'm currently shooting this video on a Tuesday. It needs to be uploaded in a couple of minutes. So tomorrow is Christmas, and I'm wishing you guys all the best in your journeys, and Merry Christmas. And I'm looking forward to all the positive messages. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.